Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Got a couple of settings in here. This should be good for showing you guys what's going on in the video or on the game. But as you can see in the sky color is interpolated, and here comes the sun. So you can see that this is actually running at 720 times the speed of real life time, basically. So this is moving pretty dang fast. But as soon as the sun gets over there, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. And so the speed is cranked up so high that sometimes this happens. But on the normal 72 value, which is the speed that Minetest uses, uh, never happens actually, even on render distance 9, which is really, I'm really happy about it, to be honest with you. You can see the sky is interpolated, and then it gets all nice. Now the moon's coming up. It's pretty cool. So I wanted to keep it so like the sky is just pitch black and it's ready for me to put the stars in, which I've gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with that. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that, but I need to figure out how to make the stars like a dome, or I need to just make them into like a giant cylinder, basically. Not sure how I'm gonna do that, to be honest with you, but I guess I'll figure that out. So it's peak mooniness out, I guess you could say. It's the middle of the night. But I made it so you can see what you're doing, even though the sky is pitch black. Because I remember playing Minecraft Alpha way back in the day, and when it became nighttime, it was literally just pitch black. You literally could not see anything. So I wanted to try to avoid that. But you can see it's running pretty good on this immense speed. So let me turn that down. Let's turn that down in the light value. No, it's time of day. So here's my test speed. So this starts off at 6 in the morning. And I'll full screen it so you guys can get the full effect. So there you go. It's 6 in the morning. So the moon's going down. And the sun is coming up. So you can see in the morning, I have it like, I saw a few colors, then I like manually kind of like rough interpolated it. You can see it in the source code in the time of day class, but I tried it and it made the sky like flash, and I'm like, okay, I need to interpolate the color. So that's why the sky is interpolated so well, because I didn't want people to have a seizure looking at the game. Just looking at the time of the day change, I'm all set with giving somebody a seizure because of that. But hopefully it looks nice. This is the gist of it. For some reason, it's like when I redid the architecture, it made the game really smooth. Like it's interesting. On Wayland and Xorg, it doesn't run this smooth though. I think it's because of my display driver. I have dual displays at two different frequencies, so that might be why. On on OBS, it does not look like it looks on my screen though. It looks really choppy. So you can see that sky texture. I mean, that the sun texture. I just threw that together in like 2 minutes, maybe like 2 seconds. I can't quite remember. It was hours ago, but that's basically it. The day-night cycle works, and I can start making new stuff. all that good stuff. I definitely want to interpolate the items better on the server. Because if I go on the server right now, clamid.mindcity.online. Whoops. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Let's see. Let me get some tree. I mean, it's okay looking, but it could be smoother. Thinking about adding in a little bit of client-side guessing when you pick up an item, because that's the only section that really needs the client-side guessing. But you can see that since the server code doesn't actually output any time stamps or anything. Basically the time's frozen. If we go back into single player right now, and we come back during the night, it's going to be nighttime for us and not anybody else, which is kind of cool, but at the same time, it's unnecessarily difficult for no reason at all. Also, it might act really weird because mismatched time and chunk data. Like right here. Like nothing changed at all, but the chunk data is like all messed up. But that's I got another plan for that in the future. I'm gonna do a memory scrubber to scrub all of the data clean when you leave single player or multiplayer server or whatever, and so that way you'd have to worry about that ever happening. That's basically it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this and really enjoy playing the game. And see you in the next video. So, peace out.